So hello guys, myself Dr. Darshan Ravindra Gurwade, and I have secured a rank of 1113 in this NEET PG 2025, and I would like to tell you about the strategy for NEET PG 2026 for those who are attempting. It is applicable for both interns as well as post interns. The only thing is you should modify it according to you. First thing what you should do is complete your portions, because having an overall idea of all the 19 subjects is very important before you start your preparation. So completing all 19 subjects, it might be in the form of videos, it might be in the form of your platform, or it might be any form of any of offline classes. You should just complete it once. That's the goal. Next, during this period, you should prepare your own notes. Like preparing means the only printed notes which are available, you should either underline those things or you should highlight the things, and you should make these notes prepared for your further things, that is for your revisions. What is second thing? The second thing is making a revision cycle schedule. That is I suggest minimum 4 revision cycles should be done by a student before attempting any exams. There can be any number, more number also, but minimum 4 revision cycles are required for this exam. Now first cycle will take around 2 months, because first cycle will be lengthy, because it is the first time you will be going through your notes, and it will take time. So take around 2 months. Second cycle, it will take around 1 to 1.5 months, because you have already gone through it, so it will not take much time. Third cycle will take a very less time. It will take around 20 days to 1 month, you can say. So it will take almost that much. These things depends on your thing. It will be more for some people, it will be less for some people. It's just a basic idea what I'm telling you. It depends on individual level. Just the thing is, it should be main first, second, third cycle, and the time period goes on reducing after each consecutive cycle. Fourth cycle, that is the last final one. I'll talk about it in detail in the last. Stick to the plan. What does it mean? It means that many a times we make a schedule, we make a plan, and we follow it for few days, few months, and we leave it. It shouldn't happen. Now comes about the question of grant tests. What should be done? Giving grant tests is very important for this exam, because it will teach us, it will make us prepared for sitting for those 3.5 hours, which are very important. How to sit, you should practice how to sit for those 3.5 hours. The main thing which all do mistake is not reviewing the GT. So you should review your GT on the same day. It will take time, but you should do it on the same day, starting from the wrong ones, then unattempted ones, and then the correct ones. So how many GTs should be given is also one question. So during completion of your portions, when you are still getting through all the subjects, you can give twice per month, and after completion you can give around 4 GTs per month, that is weekly ones. It can be more also. Next comes QBank or PYQs. Always PYQs will have a greater weightage than QBank. I'm not saying QBank is not important, but PYQs holds a higher position. You should do PYQs at least twice. Do it once during your cycles or during your completion of portions, reset it and do it one more time. It can be done through anywhere, like year wise, subject wise, or topic wise, anyhow, but do it twice. QBank, if you want to do it custom module wise, like select a tag of any particular topic, any particular subject, number of questions, and go on finishing it. Daily minimum amount is 25. 25 should be done daily. Maximum it can be done up to 50, 75, 100, anything. So how I used to do? I used to do either 25 in the morning and 25 to 50 in the evening. So in either of times, one time you should do PYQs and one more time you should do custom modules. So like this. The last revision time, that is 10 to 15 days, that period is very much important, because it will decide how much you remember. You think that you are preparing all these months for those last 10 to 15 days, then also you will not be wrong, because the last 10 to 15 days is so important, because you will remember most of the things you have revisited or read recently for the exam. So plan these 10 to 15 days very well. In that also, last 2 to 3 days, you keep it for your 20th notebook. You go on putting your one eye through your 20th notebook which you had prepared, because it contains all the wrong questions, the facts, the important ones, and everything. So review it once before the exam, and also give time for the volatile subjects apart from these 10 to 15 days, because those last subjects which you see on the last day are very important, because they're very volatile, like biochem, micro, psm, anat, you know. So share this with friends who might really require this, and also subscribe. Thank you.